How to create WhatsApp channel. If any day you would like to create a WhatsApp channel, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to tap on WhatsApp for a while. After that, your WhatsApp will be launched. Now you have to go to the option of updates. After you go to the option of updates, you have to scroll down and you have to see whether there is any option of channels or not. If there is no any option of channels, then you have to update your WhatsApp. If there is the option of channels, now you have to tap on the plus icon out there and you have to go to the option of create channel. After going to the option of create channel, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of agree and continue. After you tap on the option of agree and continue, now you will see the next screen. That is the next interface. But if you do not see, again you have to tap on the option of plus icon. Again you have to go to the option of create channel. And again you have to go to the option of continue. And you will see an interface like this. Now you have to write the very channel name that you want to create. You can also pick the pictures of that. You can also describe the channel, what about the channel is. You can write it in about 2055 words. I just wrote one word here. And you can also put the photos from your section. And then you can go to the option of create the channel. After going to the option of create a channel, now this way your very channel will be created. And you can also tap the channel link and also share the channel with the other various persons. You can share the channel link through various sources by copying the link or sharing the link to the Facebook or Snapchat, Messenger, Truecaller, Drive, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any of the objectives you want. And this way your channel will be created in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.